Welcome back to another video at Trading IQ. I hope you all are doing well. This is Shourabh Bhattacharjee. In today's video, I'm going to dig in deep and use Weinstein'S stage analysis on Bank Nifty and share my perspective on different stages that it had went through and which stage it is currently at and what should be your plan based on the Weinstein's stage analysis. So without further ado, let's jump into my screen and let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. Chart of Bank Nifty. This is in weekly format. So a couple of things I'd like to add before I proceed further, which are very simple and which are very easy to remember things. So based on Weinstein's stage analysis, we only use chart on a weekly format and we use 30 weeks moving average. You see the line 30-week moving average, and this is in weekly format. And that's it. And just add volume. Now we see volume on different indices, which is great for option trader. However, it is not as important currently, so I'm going to just close it off. So we would need 30 weeks moving average and on a weekly format. It is as simple as you can see on the screen. So let's do Weinstein's stage analysis. So first, based on the definition, we'll try to find a trading range before it broke down of the 30-week moving average. So let me draw it up. Let me find a rectangle. So first you have to identify where is stage 4, which is evident, right? You see a heavy breakdown of the 30-week moving average, which is this portion, before which it was sort of moving around this this was sort of a range where the price was moving around, and before it broke down of this 30-week moving average, and then it again formed a base just below the 30-week moving average, and the action were pretty fast. It moved up pretty fast. Like you have seen the rapid movement after the COVID-19. It is widely seen across different sectors. So this is the stage 3 top, and this is the stage 1 formation, and this is the stage 2. Now after stage 2, we had seen stage 4, and it has extended around this level. So this is a stage 3 top. Why? Because the price was moving between here and around this range. So again, when you're forming a range on a chart, it is up to you. It is up to your perspective. It is my perspective on how I draw a certain trading range on a chart, right? So that is what will vary person to person. It is your perspective on how you want to draw a certain trading range on different chart, right? So it is my perspective on how am I doing it, based on which I will have different plan. But the core fundamentals remains the same. You have to identify the stage 1 base formation. You have to identify the stage 3 top. So here, before it broke down of this 30-week moving average heavily, it was sort of hovering around this stage, this trading range. Let me just remove all this and try to share it with support and resistance. You see this was a resistance level, this was a support level. This was a support, right? It took support here, it took support here, and then it eventually it was working as a resistance around this level, and it was sort of a resistance level at the top, from which it broke down. And when it broke down of this support range, it started stage 4, right? So from here to here, it's a clear stage 4. Now when stage 1 happens, when after stage 4, after at a certain point, the price will not go beyond a certain point, which is this range, right? It hit that level, and then it went up, and then it hit again, and then it went up and broke the 30-week moving average and started stage 2, right? So this is a stage 1 formation. So how can you understand? So you'll have to find 2 ranges, and sometimes, because the market is very rapid, very dynamic, and you see the movement pretty fast nowadays versus previously it took time, but now everything is happening very quickly. Now you see the cycles are unfolding in just 2 and 3 months time, wherein previously it took about 2 years, 3 years. So that's how rapid movements are in the market. So again, you would not see some formation, but again, this is the stage 1 base formation, and it happened pretty quickly, and then stage 2 started. But now we are in stage 3, because you see this is the range. This is the range. You see this is the support line, and here during October last year, it touched this level. It's 41,250 level, and it is hovering around that level. Now, if it break out of this level significantly, and now we can sort of understand and analyze volume. If it breaks above this key level 41,250, or say let's suppose 41,500 with heavy volume, that means that we might see some upward movement, and then we would see stage 2 continuation. So there are 4 stages, and so let me summarize the different stages here. So this was stage 4. Let me again draw it up. This was stage 4, stage 3 top. This was stage 1 base, and now this is a stage 3 top again, right? So stage 4, stage 1, stage. So stage 3, this is stage 4 briefly, because it sustained about for a few weeks, and then it started stage 2, and then it is again in stage 3, and for a very prolonged duration, right? So now, as per the stage analysis, it is currently at the upper bound of the stage 3 price range, and if we are to be bullish on this sector, we'll have to look at the market, the overall market as well. So the overall market, I'll just quickly see. Of course, as you can see, without doing any analysis, I've done detailed analysis on Nifty 50. I'll paste the link on the I button. That was one of the most watched videos of my channel. So of course I did something right. That's why people are watching, and I'm getting some organic views from YouTube, which is great, and I appreciate that. So yes, you can watch that video, and now it is clearly in stage 3, because this is a clear stage 3 top, right? It is clearly evident. And to understand this journey, I have shared my perspective on that video. You can check it. So this is a stage 3, and at the same time, Bank Nifty is also in stage 3. So again, if you are to be bullish on Bank Nifty, you have to wait for a certain breakout, and of course you have to wait out for the market to break above its all-time high, because it's moving around that range for a very long time. Since last year, it has been over 1 year, it's in the stage 3 range, and currently we are going through recession. Let's face it, because people are losing jobs, and it's a recession, right? So we are sort of resetting and trying to figure out and find a level from which we can again explore new highs. So I hope you like this video, and again, I'm going to do more such analysis on different other sectors, different stocks. So I would request you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this with your friends, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you and have a great day.